delicious, healthy cucumber juice. Alright, this one, trust me guys, you cut up some cucumber, put it to your blender like this. Alright, that is lovely. Let's get some cucumber and very good for weight loss, this one. Piece of ginger. Put some ginger. Some lemon. So now remove the skin. Half of a lemon. Let's put some water. And what you do? Lovely. That's what they want to do, and then this is very good for you, alright? Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning or in the evening. You know, it's good to drink it on an empty stomach though, but it's very good drink. Cucumber with ginger and lemon, very good for weight loss, and you know, very good drink, guys. So I will introduce you guys to this and an amazing drink right here. So just please give it a try. If you don't like it, you know what I mean, it's just one of those kind of drink where you definitely want to give it a try at home. Alright, yeah, beautiful drink. I did quite a few video on these one, talking about cucumber juice and all these things. Alright, now this one is so I'm gonna share this one, very good also for weight loss. Alright, this one is going to be half of a lemon, and I have some leftover mango. Alright, this is some leftover mango right here because I did a mango salad. Alright, so very good to just blend up this one, and naturally we're gonna do, just gonna add a little bit of water to it, tiny bit, not much. Alright, and we're going to add some blackberry to it, because blackberry is very good for your stomach. Alright. We're going to blend this about 2 to 3 seconds. Lovely. Alright. Honestly, this is just amazing one. I normally make that one with the mango and blackberry. Is amazing drink, guys, for you to drink at home. Alright, so especially if you want to drink something in the morning, that come in really handy for you. Alright, it is just beautiful, nice and delicious, 100%. Alright, look at that, beautiful and amazing. Alright, so I just want to take the time out to say thank you to every one of you guys who are watching. Please stay tuned in and don't forget to click in the notification bell. Please tell a friend, Alright, my name is Chef Ricardo. I try my best to give you some of the most fantastic recipe in the world. Alright, beautiful drink we can make at home from Chef Ricardo today. So subscribe, click the notification bell. Please tell a friend. Tell a friend. Very, very delicious recipe to make at home.